All right, last one here. Apparently, Adidas is reportedly selling Reebok. They bought Reebok all the way back, I think, 2005 for $3.8 billion. Since then, the brand it's been tough, man. The brand has been losing money. They don't know what to do with the brand.
Oh.
They try to get into the, the CrossFit market. They were like, we're going to be the CrossFit brand. And I think they had some level of success with that. But how is CrossFit doing right now? There's a lot of struggles right now for a number of reasons.
I mean, they have the UFC, right?
They did the UFC thing, but they took so much heat with the UFC. Like, how many jerseys did they sell? I mean, did it really?
Yeah.
It was tough because Adidas, they didn't want to dip into their thing. They had the Ultra Boost going on, and they were just killing the game in all kinds of areas. And how much do you let Reebok into that versus force that brand to carve out its own thing? Well, anyway, there's been problems, and apparently a lot of investors and board members and whoever else have been trying to get Adidas to just get rid of Reebok, cut its losses. Reebok revenues were down 42% in the U.S. market in the midst of the coronavirus pandemic. So way down. And you remember, you and I were talking how Nike actually did okay in the pandemic. Nike was
online.
The online, they were able to shift people to the online.
Yeah.
And they were okay in China and all the rest of it.
Yeah.
And, well, China kind of got over the pandemic stuff before everyone else, so that may have helped as well. But Nike, they were okay. They're like, all right, pandemic, we'll figure it out. We'll do it online. Reebok, apparently not so much. So investors have been demanding as early as 2017, making demands that Reebok get rid of, or that Adidas get rid of Reebok. Some of the potential suitors for the brand, China's Anta Sports and the VF Corporation, which is the Timberland, Vans, North Face brand. North Face showing up twice on the show today with the store shut down, and now over here is a potential, well, they're not the flagship brand, I guess. Or maybe they would. What do you think is the biggest brand, Timberland, Vans, or the North Face?
Vans.
Out of those three, maybe Vans.
Vans.
Maybe that's why it's the VF Corporation. Yeah. Anyways, so those are a couple brands where the Reebok brand can go potentially live under, but Adidas has not officially responded to this. They have not said that for certain this is what's going to happen. But what can I say? I don't know. It would be unfortunate. I have memories of the Reebok brand. Reebok was cool at one moment. Reebok had the Iverson shoes, right? Weren't Allen Iverson's shoes Reebok? Plus, they had the one classic there. Yeah. Actually, perfect timing because Vin had these shoes and he just walked in the studio. Wait, you didn't have those ones. No. Wait, he had ones that had a zipper on the front. See if you can find, or maybe, didn't it? Yes. Is that a Reebok shoe though? Or yeah, Reebok signature. He had that shoe right there. But maybe it was blue, not black. Anyway, point being, they had a few athletes. They had a few interesting designs over the years, a few futuristic different designs going on. Of course, they had the pump. Don't forget the pump.
Oh, yeah. Classic.
The pump was huge. So anyway, here's to hoping they find a home and they don't just evaporate completely, but they're going to need some type of resurgence, some new identity here because it hasn't been working out under the Adidas heading, at least for the time being. It's causing problems for everyone. So apparently they're looking to sell, but that's just a report for the time being.